Pick up your image. Drag and drop to the window the ArcGIS. You can see the image of a society DHA in Pakistan. Selecting the catalog option. Create your folder by right-click. Select the folder option. After creating the folder, right-click on the folder, then select the Shapefile option. Pop-up menu will open. Select the feature type. Give name, then click on Edit option. From Projected Coordinates System, then UTM, and then WGS 1984. A frame completing our shapefile has been shown in the content bar. Now you are free to work on it. Select the editor. A menu open below. Select Start Editing. From pop-up menu click Continue. Now we make drawing to create our shapefile. A side menu will open. Select your shapefile from it. Then select Polygon option. Let's make the drawing in any shape you want to create. Click on the editor option again, then select Save Editing and then Stop Editing. Shapefile has been created. Select the Arc Toolbox option. Data Management Tools option. Click Raster Processing, then Raster, and then Clip. From this pop-up menu, select Image File from Input Raster. From this pop-up menu, select Image File from Input Raster, Output Extent. Select your shapefile, check the Use Input feature, give the address and name to the file. Raster clipping of this file that has been shown to screen. Thanks for watching.